So I guess here we are, trying to figure out how to go on with our lives, all this new information. How do we stop being slaves to a system that we've been indoctrinated in our whole lives? How do we make some sense of what this world has become, what we've become? Who are we? Are we terrible people? I think by and large, most of us are good people. And I think we have time to really just think about how we go forward as a society and really make a good change for ourselves. Michael Jackson said it, look in the mirror. Who are you? You can change yourself. I think it's our generation's responsibility to be the sole custodian of our digital information in every direction, meaning we should start our own server farms and collect our own data and be the stewards of our own data, allowing anybody to touch our data. Data is important. Information's important. Having your own information is super important. You can't live your life without having the whole host of your information at your fingertips at all times. Medical records, banking records, your education, your photos, your videos, your life, the small things, the big things, everything. It's yours. You should be the owner of it, and you should have it at your fingertips, and you should be able to know who's looking at your information, how frequently they're looking at it, and what they're looking for. You can share whatever you want with whoever you want, not share whatever you don't want to share, and that power is an immensely important thing in this day and age. I don't want to go back to the Stone Age. I don't want pedophiles running my country. So that's a start. We have to find some kind of self-sovereignty to start with. And we start there. Build our own networks. And we can do the same things that we've been doing in life, but from us. We are the center of the internet. That's how we see the world anyway. And that way we can't be propagandized to or manipulated. Not as easily anyway. And we start there. And we take our information, we collect it ourselves, and we can start a whole economy just based on that. Just not being reliant on these giant networks that are just populating our data and stealing our data and using our data against us to manipulate us into garbage. We're not garbage. Most people, by and large, are good people. I've met evil people, I've met good people. It's easy to ignore the evil people, and we've ignored them for way too long. And now it's time that we slowly regain control of our lives and of our countries. It's not even an American problem, it's an international problem. And we'll find a solution soon. It's going to take time. We're going to have to play the game as long as we can play the game. But as long as we wake up and we realize that we are the means of production in every direction, we can survive. Hopefully.